Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella and today I have some super exciting news for you guys. So let's just get straight into it. We don't need to waste any time here. So I'm sure you guys have heard that there have been unfortunate incidents that involved a gun and drivers. So this is something we want to avoid. It's very tragic when things like this happen, and I feel like it's just always getting worse. And drivers are always fearing for their safety because, you know, you're having people come in your car or you're dropping food off to strangers at their houses. Like, you really never know what could happen, and driver safety is something that I think is really important to look out for. So there's actually something out there that may be able to help you, and it's from this app called Para. We'll have a link down below if you want to check it out and get the app. But Para allows you to do geo filtering or location filtering, so you can avoid driving to certain areas. Basically, when you go on the app, it will let you set a radius for how far out you want to go, and that way, if you don't want to leave too far away from home or you want to avoid going to certain areas around you, you're able to do that with this filter. So this is really cool. It'll actually auto decline any orders or rides that are outside of that zone, of those boundaries that you set in the app. So hopefully this can help with safety related issues and just make it a little bit more convenient for you. So this is good for Uber drivers, Uber Eats drivers, Grubhub drivers, and Lyft drivers. So if you do any of those apps, you should definitely get Para and check it out for yourself. And if you do food delivery, they also have a restaurant filter. So if there's certain restaurants you just didn't like, or maybe they have bad service, whatever the problem might have been with that restaurant, you can actually have Para auto decline orders from those restaurants, so you don't have to go back to any of them. As of today, there's actually about 54,000 users on Para who are using this restaurant filter, so it is really helpful if you're doing any type of delivery. And again, this would be with Grubhub or Uber Eats. I think another way the location filter could help is with traffic. If there's a bunch of high traffic areas that you kind of want to avoid during a certain period of time, then you can just make your little radius smaller so that you don't have to go over to those areas when it's a busy time. This has also been helpful for people who live between major cities, because it'll, you know, if you do rideshare or delivery, usually it'll take you between these major cities, and it can be a little far, be a little bit draining. So again, great for staying a little bit closer to home. But yeah guys, this is an awesome feature that Para has launched. Be sure to check it out, link down below in the description so you can sign up and download the app. I think this is great for drivers, and it's definitely a game changer, but of course you can find out for yourself. Anyways guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos from us. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.